train is coming down the track. Well, it's a one-way ticket, 'cause it ain't coming back. Well, it's a chance you take. Gather your peace, jump into the blue sky high and find your release. Throw away your control, escape beyond the toll. How this journey's changed your soul. Everyone can hold themselves back. We let the rage and fear to get the train off track. But the forward motion and the constant flow changes what we think we know. When you begin to blaze, you will stand amazed how this journey's changed your soul. But no one said it was easy. Take it one step forward and two steps back. But if you're clear on the goal you're reaching, you can move that train on down the track. Ooh, 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 da, da, da. But now you see, though it may feel slow, it takes all you got and everything you know. It's a loud guitar, it's the Holy Ghost, and when you look around, it's the ones who stand close. When you begin to blaze, you will stand amazed how this journey's changed our soul. No one said it was easy. Take it one step forward and two steps back. If you're clear on the goal you're reaching, you can move that train on down the track. Ooh.